This race car behind me is FSG 16, Freedom Street Garage's 16th giveaway to date, and it is a 2023 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing that we're throwing in with $10,000 in cash. The CT5-V means business straight from the factory, and we've added some touches to make it really look how it actually drives. Up front, we added an Anderson Composites carbon hood with some front accessory pieces, Boston's HF7 bronze wheels, a one-of-a-kind Inositech wrap by SD Design House, and a custom MagnaFlow exhaust giving us more of that sound that we all love. We've had 15 previous winners take home their dream cars, and if you want to be next, claim your entries at freedomstreetgarage.com. Good luck.